Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevy Equinox key fob and I will show you how to remove and replace the battery in it. Now this video should apply to Chevy Equinoxes made from 2010 all the way up to 2017 and couple of other Chevy models such as Chevy Cruze, Chevy Impala, Malibu, Sonic and Camaro. Replacing this battery is very easy. You don't need any kind of special tools. To start, you want to press this button to get the blade out, and once you do that you will have to separate this plastic cover piece from the rest of the key fob. Again, you can do that just by pulling it apart. Okay, see, just like this. And once you have the cover off, here is the battery. Okay, mine popped out already, but if yours is kind of stuck in there, all you have to do, you can use like a flat screwdriver or anything similar, even a kitchen knife will work, just to gently pop that battery out. And the battery type you need is a CR2032. And once you have the new battery, you just pop it back in and install the cover, and that's everything you have to do. Very easy. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.